Hi, Bud. I'm really glad to see you both here. Al, I'm really excited about Internet Leaks.
Oh, thank you.
And let's see. Actually, I was wondering, since you met so many people in the voice acting industry,
On an album or something to that effect.
Oh, I've done that on a number of occasions. Trent McNeil, I've used a few times. She was actually one of the first people I used. She did Ricky back in 1983. And that was, I think, her first job in Hollywood. This was before The Simpsons, before animation, before anything. Like, I think it was like literally her first job in Hollywood was playing Lucille Ball on my recording.
launched her career.
Yeah. Yeah.